Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, place up first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates and we come for reveal out everything. So subscribe if for your first time. Over yourself for the latest.
Yes, Makaliman. The only walking talking cheese up in them blood clot towns. Anyway, them I take. Oh my God.
She's touch out and is a good look. Yeah man. Under the first she a fly out if some people probably think so. Cause I know people hesitate to say them know her differently from England when she they are road, but and really that really forward for talk about what bless up that end of the day, but me never know say she and TWEP TWEP in a beef in a sense, cause them a come from the whole chat and laugh though, and whole Gaza link probably me no know, but end of the day she a say yo she make this post each it TWEP TWEP don't call my name cause your mouth now work. And dirty but send your location cause me they are near. Too much talking now work. Is he pretty dirty but it look like she call her if she move out a car. All them something them you don't know, I don't know. TWEP TWEP need to buy a ticket. One bag of sitting on you can read end of the day. So as you see that America she they right about now. Yeah. Too early for vibes if you ask me still, but watch a prayer. Spice I talk about Wull making up a the Shangal Paul, Shaggy and Spice collaboration, is me? And it's a success, so why not elaborate?
Oh God, the app they nearly kill me. Why was I trying to use that app and it never work? She kind of gave me that app years ago. But now come hit me over the moon, me I try use the app and I say not hear me. I probably forgot call she kind of make she kind of give me about that damn space app. Cause I'm out of space. Jada Wagwan. I have a new phone now so you can't chat to me. Remember say you remember go change my phone because I try upgrade the app on the next phone now. Upgrade. I'm just go buy a brand new 2021 phone. Jada, you can't talk to me, Jada Kingdom. You know, say me just go live what day and add Shaggy and Sean Paul, girl. You can't done me again and tell me say there's something more update. Must be crazy. Try pasta we got. Not gonna work, girl. Guys, I was about to go to bed. I was gonna wash my makeup off and get in bed. But before I washed my face off, I said, no, not a fuck. Before I go to bed, I gotta get on live and tell my fans thank you. I have to. I gotta get on live and tell my fans thank you, okay? Because I've been posting it. I've been saying it. On some different shit. I got the #1 reggae song in the world, motherfuckers. Yo, everybody call me. I tell them, I have the #1 reggae song in the world, yeah? I'm supposed to talk. I have to talk. Me supposed to talk. I work hard for talk. Them fight me, so I'm supposed to talk now. Me not for talk, I have to talk. I have to talk. I have a nice thing on my bedside, me I talk. Crazy? I have to talk out of my mouth. Me have to talk. Magnum tonic wine need to make sure I always have Magnum at Atlanta. I gotta have a super discussion with them. I gotta have a super discussion with Magnum tonic wine because right now, the woman feel good. Quite person watch #1. Talk like a secret now. Go on like you don't want to talk out loud. Quite Perry so watch first place. Quite Perry you whisper. You type and your typing is whispering. Me not see no exclamation sign beside it. For say you're talking loud. So type it again with a big red exclamation sign because you talk like you don't want nobody to hear. You type it like you don't want nobody to read it properly. Me Little Gracie have the #1 reggae song in the world. I have to talk about it. And all along I was saying I have the #1 reggae dancehall song in the USA. Yeah, quite fair. I like them exclamation then. No, I say now whisper. No, I say not really a whisper. You want people to say. Yeah, capital letter and big exclamation sign. Shekinah Joe, I miss you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Shekinah Joe, I miss you. Shekinah, you need to go live. You need to go live with me and make me see how you dance to my new song. Go down there. I want to see you whine and go down there, Shekinah Joe. Shekinah, I need to see you whining and go down there to my new song. You need to come on my live. You've been supporting me from day one. Now the glory is here. The hype is here. I've made it. I need to see you whine to my song and go down there. If you can't come back up, it's alright. You stay down there. Because in the song, I say, stay down there, girl. So if when you whine and you're stuck and you can't come back up, you need to feel good for you get back up, you know. You can't just stay down there. I'm not only #1 in the USA. I have the #1 reggae dancehall song in Netherlands. Let me go again. I have the #1 reggae dancehall song in Israel. Israel where Jesus, let me get up out of my bed. But me, Grace, to get up out of my bed. And you can't trick me. Me in my bedroom, now make me go downstairs, down wish part my fridge there and turn up the song loud in the scheme and the people them call police for me. You can't trick me, but me get up out of my bed. Me have the #1 reggae song of Israel. #1 in Netherlands. #1 in Israel. #1 in USA. God. I feel like it's a dibby God. And I feel like God is a dibby idiot God. I feel like when you come with no combo and no crouches, God are gonna make you believe says you a God. I feel like when you come with no beat up on your chest, God did go sit back and make you come claims in world like he's gonna make it. I feel like when me rub off my knee and go down and pray to God, I me I pray to. For you come speak over my life and speak over my career. You know see what me do? Me no kill up myself. Me no kill up myself. Yeah. Me no kill up myself because me know say is my nice clean God me pray to. So me no kill up myself. Yeah. Right this song. I'm #2 in Canada. I'm #2 in the UK. Okay? Let's talk about it. Let's really fucking talk about it. Because if you're now go on iTunes, go look and see say, me, Grace Hamilton, they beside Bob Marley. That's your problem, but me, I gotta tell about it and make sure say you hear. Me, I gotta post it 40, 50, 15 times and make sure say you see. Yeah. Bob Marley. Me, they beside Bob Marley. Pan charts. Crazy. I mean if I talk about it. Me a waking up out of the bed 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Big Tigger morning show. And whoever there Jamaica, me a waking up by morning time down there. Yeah, me set me alarm at 6 o'clock, me a wake up. Me have crazy interview for do, me a do the whole of them. You know why? Because it's something to talk about. It's something for the hear about. So all who just see me on Instagram, who no go hear me on the radio talk and tell you say me Grace have the #1 song. It's something to talk about. Me don't go put like a visine in my eye before I come on Instagram. And I say no, I not do it, I not clear up my eye because guess what? One of the system my eye always have that color, yeah, this color because if you know why. So me dey home now, look good for my bed. This is not no eat that bed. Me not still a bed here for days now. Today the first me I come back in my bed. I have the #1 song in the world, reggae song in the world, and I could have lie down in my bed and cock up my foot. You just see me post one video with Shaggy, and my Shaggy no live at Atlanta, Miami him there. Him say someone want fix pan the album, I buy plane ticket and fly out. Me not itch.